Hello, my crafty friends. Today I'm going to be finishing up all my bell cards for my bell choir people. And as you know, I've made this card last video. And I'm going to be doing assembly style, which means I have gotten everything ready. And all I have to do is attach everything. I've got my stamping done. Cut out my card bases. We're going to fold those. And then I've got all my doilies ready. I've got silver and gold, as well as my pattern pieces and my cardstock. And I've got the bells laid out here. I've got the bows. I've got my glue. I've got my tape runner. And so we're going to get started. And I'm going to go ahead and speed this up and put some good music on for you. So if you do have any questions along the way, please don't hesitate to comment. Thank you. I'm going to be just highlighting the first card of each of the processes. You'll be able to see just that instead of all 10. That would get a little bit laborious. So just sit back and relax, and thank you so much. And there we have it. 11 bell Christmas cards going to my bell choir people. We have quite a few ringers this year. And if you know anything about bell choirs, we play 4, sometimes 5 octaves now. It's awesome. Thank you so much for joining me. And as I said before, please feel free to comment or like. And if you really like my content, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.